Yeah, solving simple equations. This is I think part 5 video. So I will take another simple equation. uh, Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Okay, so here the variable is y. Okay, we have to find the value of variable y. So keep this y on one side, remaining whatever is there you move that to other side. So remaining is minus 4. We have to move this minus 4 to this side. Okay. So in the next step, before moving, write this y is equal to next this minus 7. When this minus 4 is moved this side, this minus 4 becomes plus 4. Okay. That means 4 4 same. This minus changes to plus. In the next step, write y is equal to, now here minus is there, here plus is there. So minus into plus minus, that means we have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So when you subtract 4 from 7, you will get 3. And the sign in front of bigger number 7 is minus. That minus you write here. So now we got y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now we will check whether this is correct answer or not. So for that, I will write this equation once again here. So y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Now, see, before this equal sign, whatever is there, this is LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable y is present. So we can see the y is present this on LHS. So here take LHS. LHS is equal to this entire thing y minus 4. Next step, write the same LHS is equal to, now we have to substitute the value for y. So we have y is equal to minus 3. The value of y is minus 3. This minus 3 I am going to write in place of y. So in place of y, minus 3. Minus 4 write as it is. Next step, write this LHS is equal to, here also minus, here also minus. So when you multiply like minus into minus, plus, plus means addition. That means we have to add 3 and 4. When you add 3 and 4, you get 7. Okay. The sign in front of bigger number 4 is minus. That minus you write here. So next step, write this LHS is equal to, so I have written minus 7 is RHS. So in place of minus 7, I will write like this, RHS. I will put a box for it. Now see, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So remember, when we get LHS is equal to RHS, so that means this answer is correct. Okay. This is the correct answer because LHS is equal to RHS. So next we will move on to other simple equation. I will just rub this out. Now I will take another one. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. So we have to solve this. That means we have to find the value of y. So y is the variable here. So keep this y on one side and move remaining whatever is there other side. Remaining is minus 4. We have to move this to this side. So in the next step, before moving, write this y is equal to, write this 4 as it is. When minus 4 is moved this side, this minus 4 becomes plus 4. That means 4 same, minus changes to plus. So in the next step, write y is equal to, so 4 plus 4 is 8. So y is equal to 8 is the answer. Now we will check this, we will check whether this answer is correct or not. For that, first write this given equation. 4 is equal to 4. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, that is LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable y is present. See, y is present on LHS. So write LHS is equal to, so this entire thing is LHS. So y minus 4. Now next step, write this LHS is equal to, now substitute the value for y. So we have y is equal to 8. So value of y is 8. So in place of y, I am going to substitute this 8. Next, minus 4 you write as it is. Next step, write this LHS is equal to as it is. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Again, next step, write this LHS is equal to as it is. So I said 4 means it is RHS. So in place of 4, I will write RHS. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So when you get LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. Y is equal to 8 is the correct answer. So I will put right mark. Next I will move on to other equation. So next equation is z, okay, z plus 9 is equal to 9. This is another simple equation we have to solve. So solve means we have to find the value of the variable. So the variable here is the letter z. So we have to find the value of z. So what you have to do first? Keep this z on one side. Remaining whatever is there, we have to move that to other side. Remaining is plus 9. This we have to move this side. So in the next step, before moving this to this side, write this z is equal to equal sign should be in one line, one below other. Okay. Next write this 9 as it is. When plus 9 is moved this side, plus 9 becomes minus 9. That means 9 9 same, plus changes to minus. So next write this z is equal to as it is. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So z is equal to 0. This is the answer we got. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. For that, write this given equation z plus 9 is equal to 9. Okay. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, this is LHS. Left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. Okay. Now check. First I will write a line here. So here I will solve remaining. So check on which side the variable z is present. So z is present on LHS. So write this LHS is equal to. So this entire thing is LHS. So write this z plus 9. In the next step, write this LHS is equal to as it is. Now substitute the value for z. So z is equal to 0. So value of z is 0. So this 0 I am going to substitute in place of z. So in place of z, 0 I will write. Plus 9 you write as it is. Now write this LHS is equal to as it is. So 0 plus 9 is 9 only. In the next step, write this LHS is equal to. So 9. I said 9 is RHS. So in place of 9 I will write RHS. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So remember, when LHS is equal to RHS, so that means this answer is correct. So the answer z is equal to 0 is correct answer, because LHS is equal to RHS. So next we will move on to other simple equation. Yeah, we will solve that other equation. So I will rub this. Any previous content if you want to see, you can move the video backward. So other simple equation is uh, d plus 6 is equal to minus 6. So this is another simple equation. So we have to solve this. So solve means we have to find the value of the variable. Here the variable is letter D, small d. Okay. So we have to find the value of d. For that, keep this d on one side. Remaining whatever is there, you move that to other side. The remaining is plus 6. We have to move this plus 6 to this side. Okay. So in the next step, before moving, write this d as it is, equal sign as it is, this minus 6 as it is. When plus 6 move to this side, this plus 6 becomes minus 6. That means 6 same plus changes to minus, because we are moving this to that side. We moved that. So next step, write this d is equal to as it is. Now minus 6, here also minus, both are minus signs. So that means we have to add 6 and 6. So when you add 6 and 6, you will get 12. Since both the numbers are same, the sign in front of the numbers is minus, so write that minus. When both the numbers are same, so any sign in front of that number you can put it here, no problem. So we got d is equal to minus 12. This is the answer. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So for that, write this equation once again. Your d plus 6 is equal to minus 6. Now, so before this equal sign, whatever is there, this is LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. So RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side variable d is present. See, variable d is present on LHS. So you take LHS is equal to, so this entire thing is LHS. So write this here, d plus 6. So in the next step, write this LHS is equal to, now we have to substitute the value for D. So D is equal to minus 12. So value of D is minus 12. So in place of this D, I am going to substitute this minus 12 plus 6 as it is. So in the next step, write LHS is equal to, now, so here minus, here plus, different signs. Signs are not same. Because of different signs, we have to subtract a small number from big number. That means subtract 6 from 12. So if you subtract 6 from 12, we get 6. Sign in front of bigger number 12 is minus. That minus you put it here. So in the next step, write this LHS is equal to as it is. So minus 6. I said minus 6 is RHS. So write RHS here. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So remember, when we get LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. Okay. So in case if you don't get LHS is equal to RHS, that means if you get LHS is not equal to RHS, that time the answer will become wrong. But here we got LHS is equal to RHS, so this answer is correct. So next we will move on to other simple equation. I'll rub this. Other simple equation is b by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, just so now, so we have to solve this. That means we have to find the value of the variable. The variable is letter B. So we have to find the value of B. So in the next step, write this as it is. B by 2 is equal to 6. And now, so we want B, we don't want do, we don't want 2. Simply you cannot erase. If you simply erase, that will become wrong. It is your horizontal line, that is divided by 2. Because of divided by 2, to remove this 2, we have to multiply this by 2. That means we have to do 2 into. So because of this 2, same 2 you have to multiply. Because this is division. This is division, you have to multiply by the same number 2. Okay. Now the point is, if you multiply only this side by 2, the equation will get imbalanced. That means that that will become wrong. So in order to get equation balanced, you have to, if you multiply this side by 2, you have to multiply this side also by 2, like this, by 2, by same number 2. Now, so because of this into, you can cancel this 2 and 2, both are same. Okay, next what is left? B, write that is equal to, now 6 into 2 means 6 to the 12. So we got B is equal to 12 as the answer. Now we will check this. We will check whether this answer is correct or not. So for that, we'll write this equation, given equation once again like this. So b by 2 is equal to 6. So before the equal sign, whatever is there, that is LHS. After this equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. So LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable b is present. See, variable b is present on LHS. So write LHS is equal to, see, this entire thing is LHS. So write this here, b by 2. In the next step, write this LHS is equal to, okay. Now substitute the value for b, okay. So we have b is equal to 12. So value of b is 12. So in place of this b, I will write this 12. Then this line, then this 2. So now this is 12 divided by 2. That means dividing 12 by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So next step, write this LHS is equal to 6 by this 1. So next step, write this LHS is equal to 6 divided by 1 is 6 only, because any number dividing by 1, we get the same number here. So next step, so LHS is equal to 6. I said 6 is RHS, so in place of 6, I am writing RHS. Okay. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So when we get LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. So this is correct answer because we got LHS is equal to RHS. So like this you can check whether answer is correct or not. Okay. So now we will move on to another simple equation. Okay. Before that, I will just take a very short break, like 4, 5 or 6 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. uh, we will take other simple equation. So next equation I will take is p by 7 is equal to 4. Okay. Yeah, see, we have to find the value of variable p. In previous examples, there were some problems like this. There, what I was doing, I was multiplying both sides by the same number. But here, I will show you the different method. Okay, without multiplying both sides by same number, there is different or direct method to solve this. So what do you do? So next to, so this is division divided by 7. Okay, so divided by 7. So because of this divided by 7, you can move this to this side. So in the next step, write this p as it is equal to, write this 4 as it is. See, this is divided by 7. So when you move this 7, because of this divided by, 7 will come here. If you move this 7 here, the 7 will come, 7 will go here. So I've written 7. Because of this division changes to multiplication into. Okay. So when you move this 7 here, 7 remains same. Division changes to multiplication. Okay. Next step, write this p is equal to, now 4 into 7. 4 sevens are 28. Now see, this p is equal to 28. This is the answer. So this is the answer we got. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. So first I will write the given equation as it is. P by 7 is equal to 4. Okay. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, this is LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. So RHS means right hand side. So now check on which side the variable p is present. See, variable p is present on LHS. So write this LHS here. LHS is equal to, see, this entire thing is LHS. So p by 7 you write here. So next step, write this LHS is equal to as it is. Now substitute the value for p. So we got p is equal to 28. So value of p is 28. Now in place of p, I will substitute 28. So this same line and this 7 same. So 28 by 7, that is 28 dividing by 7. So divide 28 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. So next step, write this LHS is equal to 4 you write as it is. This line you write, 1 you write. So next step, so LHS is equal to 4 divided by 1, we get 4 only. So any number dividing by 1, we get same number back here. Okay. So next step, write this LHS is equal to, so we have 4. So I said 4 is RHS. So in place of 4, I am going to write RHS. Now I will put a box for it. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. This is the correct answer because LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way we can check whether this answer is correct or not. So we will take another simple equation. So 4x is equal to 25 is the other simple equation. So here the variable is x. We have to find the value of x. So we want x, we don't want this 4. So simply we cannot remove, we have to follow process. So it is 4x. 4x means it's like 4 into x. So between 4 and x there is into is there. Because of into, to remove this 4, divide this by 4. Okay. When you divide this by 4, you have to divide this 25 by 4 also. That means if you divide only one side by 4, the equation will become wrong. So if you divide both sides by the same number 4, then equation is balanced, equation is wrong. Sorry, equation is correct. So when you divide, you have to divide both sides by the same number. See, both sides I divided by the same number 4. Why I divided by same number 4? 4 only because I want to remove this 4. Because of into, you have to divide like that. And here between 4 and x, into is there, so we can cancel this 4 and 4. So next step, what is left? X, that right, equal sign you write. Now check. Now just think, is there any number that can divide both 4 and 25 completely, like without any remainder? So there is no such number. If you take 2, 2 divides 4 completely, but not 25. So if you take 3, 3 cannot divide 4 completely, it cannot divide 25 also. If you take 4, 4 can divide 4 completely, but not 25. So there is no such number that can divide both the numbers completely. So I will write same number as it is. Okay. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So for that, I will write the given equation once again, that is 4x is equal to 25. Now see, before the equal sign, whatever is there, that is LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. So RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side variable x is present. So x is present on LHS. So write LHS is equal to, this entire thing is LHS. I will write it here 4x. Next step, write this LHS is equal to, next 4. After 4 there is into. Okay, into is there, we have to assume 4x means 4 into x. So I will write into x. So in place of x we have to substitute the value. So we got x is equal to 25 by 4. So this I am going to substitute in place of x. So in place of x I will write this 25 by 4. Now because of this into, you can cancel this 4 and 4. So next step, write this LHS is equal to, so what is left? 25 you write. So next step, write this LHS is equal to, I said 25 RHS. So in place of 25 I will write RHS. So we got LHS is equal to RHS, correct? So when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. This is the correct answer. Next, I will move on to other simple equation. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I will check that other simple equation. Yeah, other simple equation I will take 8y is equal to 36. So we have to find the value of the variable. So here the variable is y. Okay. So we want y, we don't want 8. So in previous examples, similar examples, to remove this 8 I was dividing both sides by the same number 8. But here I will show somewhat different method. Okay. So here, here 8y means that is 8 into y. In between 8 and y, into is there. Okay, into is there. Because of into, we can move this 8 to this side. This side we can move. So because of into, this 8 will come down. That I will show in the next step. So before me moving this 8 to this side, next step, write this y, write this is equal to, write this 36 as it is. Okay. See, because here into is there, between 8 and y into is there. So when you 8 is moved this side, into becomes division. That means like this. This is division symbol. Okay. So into becomes a division and 8 will come down here. Okay. Now you think about a number that can divide both 36 and 8 completely. So just think which number can divide both 8 and 36 completely. So that is 2 I will take. So 2 can divide 8 completely and 36. That is 2 4 is 8. 2 18 is 36. 2 18 is 36. Next year 18, year 4. Again think about a number that can divide both 4 and 18 completely. 2 only. So 2 can divide 4 completely, 2 can divide 18 completely. So 2 2 is a 4 and 2 9 is a 18. Correct? Now think about any other number that can divide both 2 and 9 completely. There is no such number. If you take 2, 2 can divide this 2 completely, but 2 cannot divide 9 completely. So there is no such number that can divide both 2 and 9 completely, and I will stop division here. So next step I will write this y is equal to and this 9 and this divide bar line 2. Okay, even this is also answer. Sometimes they want answer in decimal form, not this fraction. Sometimes they want answer in fraction. So that time this is correct. Okay. But sometimes they want answer in decimal form. So when you divide 9 by 2, you get 4.5. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now, we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So for that, I will write this given equation once again. So 8y is equal to 36. So before equal sign, whatever is there, this is LHS. Left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. Right hand side. So check on which side variable y is present. So y is present on LHS. So next to write this LHS is equal to, so this entire thing is LHS. So 8y right. So next step, LHS is equal to, write this 8. Here nothing is there means into is there. 8y is like 8 into y. So after 8 I will write into. So substitute value for y. So y is equal to 9 by 2. So this is also answer, this is also answer. I will take this, no problem. So in place of y, I will write this 9 by 2. So next, because of into and here division is there. So you can divide this 8 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay. So next step, write this LHS is equal to, so 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. So next step, write this LHS is equal to 36. So I said 36 is RHS. So in place of 36 I will write RHS. Okay. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So just remember, when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. Y is equal to 9/2 is the correct answer. So next I will take other equation. Okay. Other simple equation I am going to take is 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Okay, so we have to find the value of the variable. The variable here is n. So we have to find the value of n. So n along with whatever is there, that is 3, you keep it on one side. So remaining whatever is there, remaining is minus 2. We have to move this to this side. So next step, before moving this minus 2, write this 3n is equal to 46, right as it is. When minus 2 is moved this side, that will become plus 2. So 2 same, minus changes to plus. So next step, write this 3n is equal to, so 46 plus 2 is 48. So we want n, we don't want 3, because 3n is 3 into n, your into is there, so divide by 3 by same 3, because we have to remove. But when you divide this by 3, you have to divide this by 3 also. You have to divide both sides by the same number 3, otherwise equation will become wrong. Now because of into here, 3 into n, this is 3 into n, after 3 here into is there, so we can cancel 3. So what is left? N is equal to, now so think about a number that can divide 48 and 3 completely. Yeah, so the 3 only, see, 3 can divide 48 completely, and 3 also. 3 ones are 3, your 360, 316 is the 48. So what is left? 16, this by 1. So this line we call by, like 48 by 3. It is like division, this represent division. So next step, write this n is equal to 16 by 1 is 16. Any number dividing by 1 will get same number 16. So we got n is equal to 16 is the answer. So next we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, this is LHS, left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS, right hand side. Now check, see, variable n is present on LHS, so I will take LHS is equal to, this entire thing is LHS, so 3n minus 2 I will write. Next, write this LHS is equal to, we will substitute the value for n. So we got n is equal to 16. So I will write 16 in place of n. Before that, write this 3. Here into is there, into in place of n, the 16 I am going to substitute 16 in place of n. So minus 2 write as it is. Next step, LHS is equal to 3 into 16, 3 16s are 48. This minus 2 write as it is. Next, write this LHS is equal to, now 48 minus 2 is 46. Okay, next step, write this LHS is equal to, So 46. I said 46 is RHS. So in place of 46, I will write RHS. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. See, when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. So like this, you can check whether this answer is correct or not. Next, I will take other simple equation. So give me 1 minute. I will check and I will take that. So till then, just go through this. Just go through this for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, I will take another simple equation. Yeah, I'm back. I will write that one. Another equation I'm going to take is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Yeah. So we have to find the value of variable. The variable is here. M. The letter M is the variable. We have to find the value of M. See, for that, M and along with M whatever is there, so keep that on one side. So remaining whatever is there, plus 7 is there, you move that to this side. In the next step, before moving this plus 7 to this side, in the next step, write this 5m first is equal to, next write this 17 as it is. When plus 7 is moved this side, this plus 7 becomes minus 7. So 7, 7 same, plus changes to minus. In the next step, write 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. So now we want m, we don't want 5. 5m is like 5 into m. Between 5 and m, into is there. Because of into, to remove 5, divide by 5. Divide by same number 5. But when you divide one side by 5, you have to divide this side also by 5. Then equation won't become wrong. If you divide only one side by the number, equation will become imbalanced. To get it balanced, you have to divide both sides by the same number 5. Now it is equation won't change because you are dividing both sides by 5. Why I took 5 only? Because I want to remove this. We don't want 5, we want m. So because this is 5 into m, here into is there, so you can cancel 5. So what is left? M is equal to 10 by 5. 10 divided by 10. That means, 10 dividing by 5. So divide 10 by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So 2, this bar, this line, and this 1. Next step, m is equal to 2 by 1 is 2. Because any number dividing by 1, we get same number 2 here. So we got m is equal to 2 is the answer. Okay. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So before that, before equal sign whatever is there, this is LHS, left hand side. After equal sign whatever is there, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. See, the variable m is present on LHS, so I will take LHS is equal to, entire thing is LHS, so 5m plus 7 I will write. Next step, write LHS is equal to 5. After 5 into is there. So in place of m I will substitute this 2 because m is equal to 2. So in place of m I will write 2 plus 7 as it is. So next step, write LHS is equal to 5 into 2. 5 2 is a 10 plus 7 as it is. Next step, write this LHS is equal to, so 10 plus 7 is 17. So next step, write this LHS is equal to 17. 17 means RHS. So in place of 17, I will write RHS. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So when we get LHS is equal to RHS, so we can say this answer is correct. M is equal to 2. M is equal to 2 is the right answer, that is correct answer. How we know that this is correct answer? Because we got LHS is equal to RHS. In case if we get LHS is not equal to RHS, that time answer is wrong. But here we got LHS is equal to RHS. So this answer is correct. So like this, you can check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. Hey, thank you. Subscribe.